Okay, we are back. Right here, we had some issues. What I found is they had put a deer or someone walked on the car, and right here is a nasty dent. So what happened is when you step on the car here, it presses it in and then puts a huge ridge here. So the only way to take these out is a process of bumping with some tools. You can see now it's really good. It's just this is dented in, so now we got to skim this and reblock that. So we've blocked down, we got a high spot here, here, and here, and that's what was here. And now we're going to show you how we're going to take these down so that we can skim it. And we also have another one here. Okay, so let's show you this process so you get a chance to see what's about to happen. These are body tools in your body tool kit. Right here we have a high spot. Like I say, these are big C dents, and these are dented in. But to push that dent out the best I could and put this metal back, I'll show you the process real quick. Right here's a high spot. Hold it just a hair above it, and you're almost going to drum it. As I look underneath of it, I can see where it's tapping and what area I'm moving it around in a circle over. See what I'm saying? Now, this is all dented down. All I have to do is sand it a little bit and we'll put some skim on it. And you can see where the metal, the reason that this is here is this is a U-shaped dent. Now I've went ahead and re-banged this all in, and then just this spot just now. So now we're good to go to be able to do the rest of it. And you see dent here, so this is a low spot. So, like I say, you can see it right here. I had to run that like this back and forth, and these I already have done. So in that way, when I skim, you actually bring them lower, so when you skim, it's rounded again, rather than what'll happen is this is a huge ridge, and then it dents it. But when you hit this back in, it forces this to pop out and keeps this in, and then you skim it. Okay, we had obviously dents all over. Like I say, where someone walked on the car, put a deer or something on it, I do not know. I bought the car, it was like this. So what we did is we skim coated everything, and I want to show where we're at after we used a little Evercoat and filled after the dinging I showed you. And now what we did is we went ahead and we skimmed it with a glaze body glazing putty. Okay. I'm just gonna rub this all to where the water is even on it. Okay. You can see there's no longer a dent there at all. You see it? See how it's gone? No ripple effect. So here's all the work done. Now we can ride my motorcycle a little bit. Maybe at some point we'll do history on that. But for now, yep, you guessed it, ground wire broke. You have to take apart the entire exhaust system to drop the battery basket. We'll get back to working on this right now, but sometime I'll do a video on that bike. I built that. That's a 1986 bike. Everybody asks about it. It's got a monster cam, all sorts of stuff. It's basically a street race bike. So here we go. We're going to be getting on the Glamour Clear 2 coats after we do a little prime tomorrow in the silver, and we'll record it and show you. Alright, that's where we're at today, everyone. This is the one I'm going to put up. Next time we'll be able to put a little bit more up. Hopefully the paint on it.